In today's episode, we're going to be making a spooky meal.
Turning a chicken into a facehugger.
Carving mushrooms into tiny skulls.
And learning a bit of historical cooking along the way.
Let's start cooking!
Hello everyone! I know, it's been a long time. Everything looks amazing. Halloween is our favorite season. We're gonna make a spooky buffet from your favorite movies and TV shows. The main part of this dish will be a facehugger from the Alien show. Let's get to it! Chicken. To make the body of the facehugger, we're gonna change our chicken into a spatchcock. Right, let's wash our hands. Health and safety. Now, let's get to cutting. Start by cutting the chicken in half along the spine. Then open it up and cut out the spine. Flip it over and press it down to spread the chicken out. Chop off the back legs, but leave the front wings. The plastic container. It's for later.
And that's how you do spatchcock chicken.
We're gonna do a rub for the chicken. To give it a little bit more color, we're gonna use some paprika and some salt. Oil! And oil, obviously, oil. We need some oil to let it sizzle a bit, innit? Paprika powder! Paprika, we like it. Some pepper as well for a flavor, innit? And salt! We need to mix it. Mix it. It's a very pasty right now, so we're gonna add a bit more oil. Smells beautiful, like a real alien. Washing my hands! I'm washing my hands. Health and safety. Washi, washi, washi. The chicken into the air fryer. I'm gonna put it on 28 minutes and 180 degrees.
You might think turning a chicken into a face-hugging alien is a bit much, but history says we're amateurs. Around 1454, Duke Philip the Good of Burgundy hosted the Feast of the Pheasant, a banquet so extravagant it featured roasted peacocks gilded with gold leaf. Nobles swore oaths during the feast, making it part political spectacle and part culinary showpiece. In the 15th century, the main dish was the cock and trice. The dish is listed in the Harleen manuscript of 279. No author's name appears in either manuscript, but the recipe suggests that they came from a professional royal or noble household kitchen. Recipe instructs taking a pig and a capon, rooster, cutting them in half and sewing the front of one to the back of the other. By the Victorian era, 1837 to 1901, the gore had gone, but the theatre, it stayed. Cooks crafted illusion foods. Chefs sculpted sugar and pastelage into swans, temples and castles and used elaborate molds to make cakes and dessert resemble real objects. Not unlike the "is it cake" trend of today. Because apparently, the real horror was serving anything ordinary.
Right, so we will facehugger body. It's cooking right now. Next part, we need the legs. It's got two already, the front ones, but we need the 6, which is 3 on the left and the right side. We're gonna use chicken wings and we're gonna shape them into the legs. Let's have a look if we can do something about them to make them look like legs. Right, we're gonna make a little incision right here. Some leggy. We're gonna take the barbecue stick and we're gonna stuff it with the chicken wing to create the illusion of a leg. We're gonna repeat the process 5 more times so we can have 6 legs, and then we've got those 2 already that is attached to the body. 6 wings. We're gonna rub it with our paprika rub. Take our wings and add them to our air fryer. Main body of facehugger is done. The legs of facehugger is done. Now is the time for the tail. For that, we're gonna use pork sausages. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Sausages. Push it into join together. Yeah. Bacon. Streaky bacon. Gonna use it to wrap around the tail to give it a little bit of a better texture. 10 more minutes. Meat needs to be at minimum 74 degrees. It's about 63. So I think 10 more minutes should be enough. 10 more minutes start. That's gonna be the tail of the facehugger. We're gonna do our side decoration right now. Mushroom skulls. This can be also a vegetarian or vegan option, or you can put it as a side for your main dish. The mushroom in half, take a straw and make an eyes. 1, 2. Then you're gonna take a little knife, gonna make a little nose and also a teeth. The mushroom skulls. Facehugger legs are ready. They on 90 degrees. Main chicken is on edge right now. Is on 74.9 degrees. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna take out the leg and then we're gonna flip the chicken and finish it off for another 5 minutes. Flipping the chicken. Our chicken is ready. 180 degrees, 22 minutes. When the time will go halfway through, we're gonna add our mushroom skulls and we're gonna cook them off. For the base, we're gonna use spinach. To the main body. This is a vegetarian or vegan. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you're obviously not gonna put it together with sausage. But on this occasion, we will. So I'm placing my mushrooms inside now. Gonna close it down. Temperature at 290 degrees. And leave it till the end. Checking the temperature of the sausages. 86, 87, get it to 90. They're definitely ready. Now it's time to build it. And a little skulls for the decoration. And that's how to make one idea for our spooky meal.